Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. So I've had this mini twist for quite a while now, and as you can see, they've started looking a bit untidy, but I'm not quite ready to take them down just yet. So today I'm going to be showing you easy and chic styles that you can do on your mini twist when you still want to look cute. First, we have the classic half up, half down style. This is my go-to since it's the easiest and takes the shortest amount of time to do. I like to gather the top section of my twist into a bun or a ponytail and leave the rest down. This keeps the front looking neat while still showing off my mini twists. I love doing this style, especially when my hair is not really untidy. Next is the accessorized ponytail or bun. This is similar to the half up, half down style, but it gives off a more polished look. You start off by putting your twist into a high or a low ponytail and add some decorative clips to dress it up. It's an easy way to make your style look intentional and put together. Another option is to sweep your twists to one side and secure them with a bobby pin or a stylish pin. This side swept look is trendy and gives the appearance of a fresh style. The head wrap or turban style. For this style, I start off by tying my twist into a low ponytail. This is my go-to when I want to hide the frizz, especially at the front, and add a pop of color to my outfit. It's super quick and instantly elevates your look. Another option to hide the frizz and add a pop of color to your outfit is by the use of a silk scarf. Finally, if your twists are too frizzy, consider unraveling them to create a twist out look. This gives you voluminous, defined curls and can extend the life of your style while still looking cute. And there you have it, 5 chic ways to style your mini twist when they're untidy, but you're not ready to take them down just yet. Which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural hair care tips. See you on the next one.
No matter who I choose.